Today we have with us the pretty actresses Neeti Taylor, Charlie Chauhan and Kristen Barreto for the gift segment. Let's see what they have received.
So guys, we are back, the three of us. आज विभा हमारे साथ नहीं है because she's not shooting, but we miss her. And we're going to open all the gifts.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं, हम विभा से बात नहीं करते. Friends anymore.
So we're opening all the gifts जो बहुत देर से pending थी. तो चलो, let's attack. Come on, Charlie.
Let's attack. Okay, so these four. These are from Maria.
From Maria.
I remember you. Hi.
I always remember you because
पर ये किसके लिए इसमें है?
Just open.
this will look good on Charlie.
This will look good on Vibha and Charlie actually.
Yeah. This one is for
You.
so cute. This will look very good on you, by the way. This is
This
so
will
cute.
look good on all of us.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's for Charlie.
नहीं.
This is for Vibha.
Vibha.
ये विभा को क्यूट लगेगा. बहुत क्यूट है. मेरे को ब्लू दे दे.
Yeah. Chalo, we've got our gift sorted. Okay, this is for me.
This is
Thank
also
you.
from Maria.
Thank you. एक विभा के लिए एक मेरा. दोनों.
Maria from
I
France.
got one more from Maria.
So thank you so much, Maria.
Cheer up, we want to see you fit and well very soon. Banana. I hope this well wish brings a smile to your face. You're too beautiful to be feeling down. Keeping you in my prayers. Big hug, Maria.
I love you.
So cute you are.
Chalo, we'll open Madhura's gift. Madhuri's gift from all the way from Dubai. Thank you.
Strange है. मेरे को पिंक दिया, तुम लोगों को एक को ब्लैक दिया.
Dude, this
Wow.
is beautiful. Look at that.
Krisan?
बाद में बैठ कर.
Arey.
Oh no, I'm not exchanging with you. Sorry.
Thank you माधुरी.
Yeah.
Thank you माधुरी.
Thank you, Madhuri, for the earrings.
How sweet is this? Nice.
Very pretty this is. Very nice. Thank you so much, Madhuri, all the way from Dubai.
Neeti.
She said, please don't laugh at my name.
ये लो भैया.
Sushmita. तो इसमें husband.
That's it.
अच्छा सुष्मिता सेन इसमें
Her
husband
name
की
is
क्या बात
Sushmita
है?
Sen. Yeah.
अरे
अच्छा this is for all the girls. Okay, for all the four of us.
sculpture.
Nail art. So there are 4 packets for the 4 of us.
Who is that from?
Madhuri.
Madhuri.
Yes.
Thank you.
मैंने बोला था ना बड़े-बड़े स्टार्स भी हमारे फैंस हैं. तो सुनते नहीं हो तुम.
This is Nirali. Thank you. कपड़े मिल रहे हैं मेरे को बड़े सारे. Thank you यार.
शायद इनको लगता है कि तेरे पास कुछ नहीं है.
Yeah, they think you don't have clothes.
Krisan. Aww. Thank you so much. It's so many dairy milks. And oh, I got a guitar वाला मतलब गिटार वाला दे दिया. Thank you so much.
निखट्टी.
And for Nirali. Thank you, Nirali, for this beautiful Neeti Taylor baby tattoo. What is this? Oh, this is a stove.
देखो ऐसा नहीं है, वो नंदिनी के पास कपड़े नहीं है, नीति के पास है कपड़े. माने को नंदिनी की.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
So pretty.
Nandini should wear this. This is totally Nandini's character.
Amazing the way you are. So cute, so beautiful. Always be the same and have a great upcoming year. Take care. Stay strong. God bless you. Thank you so much.
बेबी टेलर
Nirali.
कौन है?
मैं हूँ.
मतलब टेलर का बच्चा.
ये चाली के जोक्स है. So Sushmita Sen, I'm back with your gift.
सुष्मिता से एक बात बताओ, आपका रणबीर हुड्डा से ब्रेकअप हुआ. क्या नाम है? रणबीर हुड्डा.
हाँ रणदीप हुड्डा.
सॉरी, रणदीप हुड्डा से ब्रेकअप हुआ.
His name is Huda.
अरे
हुड्डा.
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 Huda.
Oh, this also Nandini can wear na.
Yeah.
Thank you.
ये उनकी दूसरी किस पे पहनाएंगे?
Oh, thank you. With a letter. Nandini character is so positive and there is so much to learn from this. Thank you so much, Sushmita.
ये मत लर्न करो, पढ़ो. क्या लर्न कर रहे हो नंदिनी से? बॉयफ्रेंड बनाना, रोमांस करना. क्या कर रहे हो यार? पढ़ने की एज है.
Oh, I got lip glosses. Oh, yeah, thank you. दे लो.
नहीं बेबी, ऑन कर इसको.
अरे फैन
उसको
कहाँ से
इधर
चालू
ऑन
होता
कर.
है? नहीं. I think it opens from somewhere.
अरे रुको बेबी उसको ऑन कर.
Wait. It can't come
It
on
can't
till
because
this
you have to
is
open
there.
it. I'm saying that, guys.
Oh my god.
I got a fan which I've lost.
I think you need bat. Yo.
Oh yeah, it's empty. I'll put. Thank you so much, Madhuri. I love this gift.
She knows that you roam around with a fan.
Yeah, everybody knows.
नहीं उसके घर
Why
पे
does
एसी
it
भी
have
है. आप लोगों को ऐसा क्यों लगता है कि नंदनी को पैसे नहीं मिल रहे हैं में काम करने के बेचारी को आज तक कपड़े हैं.
Fan and clothes, bro.
बेबी तेरे घर में एसी लगवाएंगे.
Oh, don't worry, we put an AC.
हाँ, please, thank
And
you.
we'll go buy you clothes.
Yeah.
We'll have
नेक्स्ट
an
पार्टी में कैसी आर्या की पार्टी में लिपस्टिक लगाना. ये अपने घर पे फोटो लगाना और ये लेके आना. ठीक है और ये
We'll
फैन
have an interview where we show that you have gone shopping and you've got clothes finally.
करो यार इसका. हाँ मुझे अच्छा नहीं
इतना
लगता.
करो ना मुझे प्यार.
Okay. It's okay. We understand.
Thank you so much for these wonderful gifts for all of us, for Vibha, Charlie, sorry, Krisan, for all of us. Thank you.
अरे ऐसे रखना मैं पकड़ रही हूँ.
And guys, don't spend money so much. आप हमारा show देखिए.
Yeah, don't see. We understand everything. Neeti does not have clothes or does not have AC.
किसी को कपड़े. लिपस्टिक, लिप बाम और क्या फैंस एसी लगवाएंगे उसके घर. गिफ्ट्स पे मत भेजो यार.
Don't worry, she's fine.
Krisan, you're talking too much.
Yeah, but we love the gifts, but at the same time, stop using your money, man. Chill out. We love you anyway.
Yeah, just keep watching our show. I think that's the biggest blessing we have.
इतना झूठ मत बोल. बिगेस्ट blessings.
Blessings?
God just punished me with the blessings.
कर्मा बहुत जल्दी लगता है मुझे.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Stay tuned to India Forums. We'll be back soon with the new celeb and his gift segment. Neha Sawant, cameraman Mangesh, India Forums, Mumbai.
Hi, this is Neeti. Keep watching India Forums and subscribe to WhatsApp TV.